Rebecca, and these are my reviews, and this is my new Ricky's box. So this is the March box. The first thing in here is the RickyCare 3D sponge. I actually have this already, so I'm going to put this in my giveaway pile. If you are new to my channel, first of all, welcome, hi, thanks for watching. What I do is I take the samples that I get in my boxes or wherever, and I set them aside, and then when my pile gets big enough, I do a giveaway. And like this sponge, I have it already, and I freaking love it, and I would probably just keep this one. And I feel like I want you guys to experience the awesomeness of the Ricky sponge because it's my favorite beauty blender dupe. It is the most similarly shaped, and also it's a lot softer than most beauty blender type sponges, you know, because most of the time they are quite firm, very dense, and this one just isn't. It's nice and soft and spongy. It's still not the exact same texture as a beauty blender, but I really, really love it. So this is what I use today. It's a little bit dirty, and I think it's an awesome sponge. Okay, the next thing in here is from LA Girl. This is Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. This is a clear, very, oh, I have foundation on my hand. I guess I didn't wash that off. Anyway, it is very clear, very silicone-y kind of a primer, and it has not just like smoothing, but where it kind of airbrushes your skin, you know, it kind of filters what? There's a name for it that I am not remembering. Anyway, it's that kind of a silicone-y texture to it, and normally I really don't like silicone primers. I just don't like them. And I did use it today, and I feel like my makeup went on really nicely, but what I've actually been using this for is putting it on top of my foundation, kind of midday as my pores are starting to show up more, my wrinkles are, you know, getting more defined. I just put this on top of my makeup just really lightly so that I don't mess up my makeup, and it just smooths everything out really beautifully. I actually have been really liking this for that use as an underneath my makeup primer, what it's supposed to be used for. I'm kind of meh, but I don't like silicone primers. On top of my makeup, I feel like it works awesome. So anyway, this is a liquid liner from Palladio. It's just liquid eyeliner, and it comes in this cute little, you know, thing, and it's one of those, I find this really difficult to open. I don't know if it's just because it's really skinny or what, like I can't get my man hands around it. I wish it had a grip on it. Anyway, it's just like a little shorty wand, and the tip on it is not a brush, it's more like a sponge or something, but you know, it's fine. It kind of reminds me of like the Candy Johnson Too Faced one, except hers is, that one is shaped differently. This one is shaped like it's supposed to be a brush, but it doesn't feel like a brush. The liner itself, I do like. You can see just from my swatch right there that if you press too hard, you definitely get kind of that patchy swatch kind of a thing going on, but honestly, I'm wearing it today and it went on just fine. It's definitely not waterproof or smudge proof, but if you don't mess with it, it looks really nice and it doesn't flake off or anything like that. So I half like this. It's not my super favorite, but I don't hate it or anything. I think it's perfectly usable. This is from House of Lashes, and you can see there's nothing in here because they are on my eyes. These are Temptress, and I've never owned House of Lashes before, so I was really excited to get these, and they were really easy to apply. They're comfortable. I really like the shape of them. I think they look really nice on my eyes and everything, so I'm happy with these. I love them. And then the final thing in here, which I was so excited about, is from the Balm. This is Meet Matte Trimony. They came out with the Meet Matte line, I don't know, years ago, but I don't have this palette, so I was really excited to get it because I super duper love it. So it is all matte shades. It has this giant mirror on it. It's just a cardboard, you know, magnetic closure type of a palette. But look at the size of these. I mean, look, you can see my finger. Like, you know, these are giant pans of eyeshadow, which I think is awesome. And the colors are beautiful. So I am wearing several of them today. I feel like they go on really nicely. They blend out beautifully. I had zero issues with them. They do kind of have, you know, a little bit of a kickback. You know, like when you put your brush in, it powders up a bit, but you know, you tap off your brush and you're good to go. I didn't have a lot of fallout like on my face while I was applying them. And the pigment is fantastic. Let me just you know, swatch a couple. This one right here, Matte Rosy, Matte Rossi, whatever that is like this wonderful taupey color. This one on my pinky, and I love it. Matte Moskowitz. This one is Matte Kumar, and this one is Matte Lin, which for me makes a great sort of base shadow to put all over my lid. This black down here is really wonderful. I've been using this as like a smudgy eyeliner type, but they're all just really, really wonderful. I love this palette. So I was super excited to get this. I feel like my Ricky's boxes have just been getting better and better. I love them. And it's only $11. Like, I feel like this is totally comparative to BoxyCharm, which is 20 bucks. And this one is only 11. So I would highly recommend it. I have dumped my Play by Sephora and Birchbox. I still have Ipsy, but Ricky's I feel like is the new best thing on the market. So I will leave all of the information in the description box where you too can get your Ricky's box. Even if you don't get the subscription box, you can still just like shop online at their online store, or if you live in New York, you can just go to a Ricky's store. They're fantastic. Anyway, like I said, everything will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!